Hey, what's up guys, it's Samy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit like Larissa and Jessica Hamilton. So few days ago, a fashion vlogger from Milan, Jessica Matarrelli, commented on my video that she wanted to see a video on how to edit like Jessica Hamilton. When I checked out Jessica Hamilton's page, I figured out that her editing style is same as Larissa, who is an YouTuber from India. So I thought, why not make it a same video? And as it was Jessica Matarrelli who told me to make this video, and she has an awesome Instagram feed, I requested her to send some of her pictures so that I can edit it for her, and she was kind enough to send me some of her pictures, and I'm going to edit one of them today in Lightroom, and I'm sure this is going to help you guys. So what's up guys, it's Samy here. I'm back with another tutorial. So subscribe to the channel, press the bell button, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to do is reduce the highlights, and then go to the HSL panel and change the color of the sky in the hue. And then I'm going to reduce some contrast, increase some shadows and increase the whites and reduce the blacks. And add more shadows in the curve. And in the HSL panel, I'm going to reduce the greens and the blues and increase the orange and the yellow. And I'm going to increase the color of the skin tone just a little bit. And in the split toning region, I'm going to keep the color around 54. Sorry, I mean around 6, and keep the saturation as low as possible. And in the shadows also, I'm going to keep the color at 7 and keep the saturation around 6 to 7. I'm going to add some clarity and some vibrance and reduce the saturation. I'm going to reduce a bit of sharpness. And I'm going to use the brush tool to brush over the skin just a little bit. And keep the clarity at 34. Now as the greens are almost desaturated, I'm going to reduce the reds, increase the orange in the saturation panel, and I'm going to reduce all purple and magenta. With the brush tool, I'm going to cover the footpath just a little bit, and the background and the trees. And I'm going to add some shadows in the skin to give it a more dramatic effect. Now in the hue panel, I'm going to change the color of the bricks just a little bit to match the color of the reference image. And I'm going to reduce some highlights in the curve. I'm going to use the brush tool to darken the background just a little bit. And use the brush tool to brush over the hair of the model by increasing the clarity and reducing the highlights. And I'm going to add another brush tool to brush over the dress with highlights as low as possible, because in the reference image this girl has kept the highlights as low as possible. That is why you get all the details in the dress. Now I'm going to use the luminance panel to brush over the hair to make it a little darker. I'm going to use another brush tool to brush over the lips, make it a bit more reddish. And then another brush tool with highlights as low as possible. This is the before and after. And I'm going to add some clarity on another brush tool. I'm going to increase the luminance of the plants and adjust the skin tones just a little bit. And this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe because I make regular content each week and almost each day or each alternate days. So make sure to check my other videos as well. So with that being said, this is Samy signing out. Peace out.